Welcome to day 7. Today we are going for Wayanad from Guruvayur. So that's a very good break for us. Like day 6 we been to Guruvayur, and today day 7 we started our travel from Guruvayur to Wayanad. So it's a travel of 160-150 kilometers, and but ideally it will take 3 to 4 hours. 4 hours it will take definitely. So the biggest challenge what we have faced is multiple places in between. We didn't found any breakfast point, though we have started 6 o'clock. Literally it took us 1 hour to I mean, obviously we planned for a break after 1 hour, but after 1 hour seriously for around some 20-30 kilometers we didn't found any breakfast point. So this is a good point where we had good hotel river, good breakfast, some nice Kerala dishes, and idli and dosa is also available. So definitely if you want to try this, you can stop here and you can try. So after going for Wayanad, we want to try some activities. So recently Zipline and a few good places are there in Wayanad, so we'll be showing that. So today afternoon and tomorrow we'll be there, so we'll be showing nice places there in Wayanad.
Oh, let's go back to Wayanad. Suggestible time to travel to Wayanad is morning, like so as we started in early morning 6 a.m. from Guruvayur. So now the time we have reached to Wayanad is around 10:30. So yeah, as you see, like there are only 1-2 kind of lorries or trucks, like there are nothing more or no more amount of traffic jam or more amount taken.
So we came for the zip line. Here it is 200 rupees. There are multiple zip lines in Wayanad. If you want to start with the standard one, like basic one, this is the best one. This zip line. This will be on tea plantation. So this is a zip line setup. To take the tickets there, and you need to climb this.
This is looking a little scary. have reached Wayanad and we are following our homestay guard. amazing, right? The way to our homestay is so happening.
Hey guys, so we have entered Wayanad, our homestay. You should see how beautiful it is. So this whole house they have given us, and very good ample parking, and even this gate key they have given to us, and complete house. It is a single house, it's not two houses. So this also they have given to us. Let me show you how it looks. So even if you're coming with big family like 8 people, 6 people, this will be enough, sufficient. Wardrobes, very big washroom, and proper dining space. Sofa, I mean some normal, and one more very big bedroom, and one more big washroom, and medium size compared with that, and kitchen, and a fridge. And this property is also having inverter facility, like whenever power is not there, obviously like inverter will work out. Second thing is he's also having good connect with some people who can take you to the places. Like for example, if you are not familiar with these places, you can come over here and then book a jeep who will charge you 1,000 rupees and will take you to almost all the main places of Wayanad. So we are going for Mirror Beach in Wayanad. This is why personal cars are not allowed.
No one will repair this road. So this place is called 900 Kandi glass bridge. Why? Because this whole hill is 900 hectares, and Kandi is simply greenery plantation. So this hill is covered with cardamom or elaichi plantation. So that's why it's 900 Kandi glass bridge.
So for jeep it is 1,200 rupees. Even for if it is 2 people, if it is 4 people, 6 people, I mean maximum of 6 people, it is the same cost. So if you are having 6 people, then you are lucky. If you are coming like 2 people, then you need to share, or you have to come like us, like by paying 1,200 rupees. And rifle shooting it is 50 rupees, and for swing 100 rupees, and park entrance it is 200 rupees. I mean 200 rupees each. So now one more attraction in this 900 Kandi is swing and this glass mirror. So you need to remove your glass bridge. You need to remove your chappals before going there. So little we felt like this place is little overpriced. Like okay, for that vehicle and all 1,200 rupees is fine, because if 6 people are coming, then 200 rupees per head, so that is okay. We leave about our case. But for glass bridge and the top view, 200 rupees basic charge is like little more is what we are feeling. and they are also giving this cricket, all these things, but I don't think people who come here will try to want to utilize such activities. So anyhow, how is your experience of this class? Which actually this is little moving is what we are feeling with normal
By the
wind.
I think maybe because of the
See,
off-roading.
see. Someone is moving or it is really moving?
No,
it is moving.
I think because of the weight at the ends.
It's moving actually.
Little
You can
jerk.
feel from this shot. I don't know whether it's
Little jerk. Good only.
maybe because of the off-roading happening at the bottom. It seems, yeah. Let's go for the edge. Oh, is it slightly moving?
Just wind.
Little scary whenever it is moving, right?
See down.
At Glass Bridge, Wayanad. The only crazy feel is this bridge is moving whenever there's a huge wind. Next attraction is treetop viewpoint. On a tree. So this is the view you will get. You want to see So 200, 400 for a park entries, which comes with this viewpoint, glass mirror, glass bridge, and some basic cricket and few things are there. Honeybees are there. So basics like which doesn't need someone's effort, those are all free of cost is what they have made. Rest like few activities like swing, rifle, it is additional cost. Swing is 100 rupees and rifle is 50 rupees. 3 shots. It is plastic bottle, not balloons. We haven't recorded one more.
Very sorry.
So one more zip line. This is actually the longest zip line or highest zip line in Wayanad. So this also we are trying. So here even the cycles are also there. Like on above you can also do cycling. So this is also a different experience. Actually very good experience, and it won't be scary actually. Crazy feel. So, and it's pure safe, like 2 things are being tagged to the main row, and you don't need to hold. It's not like holding, it's just like you're sitting on something, and it also won't give you free fall kind of feel like on giant wheel. Some feels will be there, right? No, it won't give you that feel. It will give you like escalator feel, and it is on these So it's a very good experience. And there is also one more place on lake, on water you'll be doing. So if you want to try that also you can try. So here it is 300 rupees, 100 rupees extra. Why? Because it's first of all lengthy, and second thing is they also have to drop you to the main point, right? So there is a jeep facility. So now we came for Soochipara Waterfalls. So here entry ticket is 65 rupees per each and parking is 30 rupees. So here swimming is allowed. So swimming in the sense like you can drench in the water, so you can bring your extra clothes. So he said from parking it is 1 kilometer. Actually it is Soochipara, not Soochipura. Be with the group always. Use a comfortable dress and shoes. It was almost 2 kilometers and the path is very hectic, like too heavy it is, but it's actually worth coming here. First of all, if you're coming here, plan for bath. It's purely safe for bath and it is clean water. For ladies there is a changing room on top and it's pure safe, you don't need to worry, but we should not jump and make some scenes here. You can sit and take photos, take videos, nicely enjoy with friends. If you are coming with friends with Wayanad, this is best place to take bath, evening bath or morning bath. Afternoon if you come, like you may not go for other places because your clothes and all will be wet. If you are coming to this place, make sure you are bringing extra clothes. So by this we will be completing our day 7 trip of Wayanad. Day 8 also will be Wayanad, covering different places of Wayanad. So yeah, we will spend some time over here and then too much of mud actually because of that glass mirror way. I'll have to actually give you a better review on Google because I have been misled in multiple ways to that place. So stay tuned guys. He is trying to go there. I don't want to risk my shoes. Like after getting wet, I don't want to again wear them.